Nagligaw tayo eh. Dito na yung tubig natin. Then ito yung table natin. Morning! So now we are leaving Makati again. So ngayon pupunta tayo sa may sa ganun pa rin, sa Tanay pa rin. And then right now ibang camp naman. It's gonna be Camp Kawayan. So first time natin doon. So as expected, we are going to cross two rivers, and then so it's gonna be 55 kilometers away. 55 kilometers drive, and it's gonna take 2 hours, almost 2 hours drive from Makati to Tanay. Alright, see you. Okay, dito na tayo ngayon sa may Santa Ynez Road. So dito mayroon lang tayong babayaran na 50 pesos na environmental fee. Right? Santo Niño. Ayan, papuntang So along Santa Ynez Road, kakanan ka lang dito sa may Elab Santo Niño na yan. Good morning, set up natin yung 270 awning test natin. Today mag-set up tayo ng camp natin. Overland din yung to. So, we have chair from Ironman 4x4 King Quad camp chair. So I bought this from Dr. Joe Opportunic. Dr. Joe Opportunic, out. Thank you for this one. Yan. So it's a massive chair, camping chair. So hindi ka matutumba dito kahit anong gagawin mo. No? Meron tayong insulated cup holder, no? Dito sa gilid din mga phone holder. Yan, and then ito rin insulated din to, no? So you can put your beer here, and you also have this bottle opener. Okay, next one is the biggest one, the Ironman 4x4 Club Lounge camp chair. So Club Lounge naman to, ito is King Quad.
As for your?
This is for Dana. For my queen. For my queen. Queen Daenerys Targaryen. So yan, laki. So kasya kayong dalawa dito, di ba? Pwede kasya dito. So it's a massive one. Pwede dalawang tao dyan, no? So yung camping chair natin. And then of course, Meron din tayong our cooler. This just mediocre po cooler. Hindi naman ito ganito ka ganda. Kasi this is only a movie garden. I think this is 28 liters. So yan yung baon natin ngayon. So lulutuin natin mamaya. We're going to grill it. Okay. That's it. And then dito. And then here we have our dito yung mga cooking utensils natin, lahat. And then our simple camping table. So, camping table natin ito lifetime brand. Bili ko sa may SNR. So yun lang. Ito lang. Ano lang, medyo just need someone to pull it up. So kaya naman isa. Yan. And dito. Just have to put it with your knees. Okay. That's it. And the camping table is set. Dito tayo medyo init. Kasi may shadow ng bamboo tree. Of course, we also have the water jar. Water jar is from binili ko lang dito sa Lazada. Yan. So later may spout pa naman to. Again, ito yung spout niya. Ito yung spout niya. Okay. Palitan mo lang yan. Palitan mo yan. Punong-puno. Okay, that's it. And then pwede na siyang lagin. Ayan na, yun ang water spout natin. Okay. Ito yung relief valve niya. Relief valve. So we have 2 boxes. Dito yung mga cooking utensils natin, mga foods. This box is this one. Yung box natin is mga dito yung inflatable bed natin. Camping tent, yan. Hindi naman siya po. The Sea of Clouds. Pero maliit na eh. River of Clouds siguro ano yan, no? Or... River of